What is going on, beautiful people? It's Antonio here. I want you to go ahead and smash that subscribe button, hit the bell so you can get notifications and you can be alerted each and every time I come out with some new content. And let's get into it, all right? You know what this is. Yeah, you know what this is. I'm going to go ahead and let that focus in for you. We're paid out by Savings Highway. The checks are real. My $20 business is definitely legit. I've been paid multiple times. What we got? $365. Let you see that. $365, y'all. Big shout out to Steve. Big shout out to the team. Big shout out to everybody, including yourself, okay? You go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification. Go ahead and smash that like button. Drop me a comment. Let me know. Maybe you're in the business. Let me know how things are for you. Maybe you want to be in the business. You got questions, concerns? Let me understand what's going on in your world. I got my Facebook link down and below. You can hit me up, add me as a friend. I'd love to help you, provide value, show you the way. Also, AntonioVasquez.com. Links below if you want to get started with this opportunity. I'll help you. And the thing with me and my team, right? We're passionate. And this is the opportunity that you get to benefit from my efforts. So when I put people into the business, I sign them up. You can benefit from that. You can earn residual income from that. I sign them up, I can place them underneath of you. You sign people up, you can place them underneath of your team. Super, super official, okay? I'm a heavy hitter. I'm a recruiter, so I'm good at that. So if you join my squad, I will help you grow your team, all right? I will help you fish. I will not fish for you. I will teach you how to fish, okay? I'll show you the way. I have a training website lined up. Me and my team have the value. I have webinars every 2 days, all right? So the team is definitely doing what they got to do because they got the training. The opportunity is easy because we have the tools and the resources in place, okay? All you have to do is apply it. That's it. Apply what we teach you and you will have success with this business, all right? This travel business is amazing. The discounts from the hotels, resorts, condos, car rentals, you get points on flights. Even up and coming, you're going to be able to rent out some Airbnb. So that's something that I really like to do. I do that several times a year. So I'm really going to benefit from that. And I'm telling you right now, you don't want to miss on this. Don't, okay? This is a wave, all right? And this wave ain't dying no time soon, okay? Get this. The wave ain't dying no time soon because people are traveling every second of the day. Every second of the day. Right now, it's almost Christmas time, right? I mean, busiest time of the year, people are traveling. You know how much money people could save on these travel discounts right now? I know that I'm using these discounts. My team's using the discounts. And here's another thing, okay? Here's a little bonus, right? You get grocery coupons each week. Hundreds of dollars in grocery coupons. So who don't like to eat, right? Who don't like to save money? I love to eat. I love to save money. So you better bet your bottom dollar that I'm using these grocery coupons. I don't care how much success I have. I still want to save some money. So these benefits come in handy. All right. Our team website is millionaireshustleacademy.com. It's absolutely free. You'll get all the value that you need. So when you get started, you'll have the team website. We'll put you in the team group in a live chat 24/7. We're here for you. And if you decide you want to just jump over there on our team website to check it out or get the value for free, go for it, okay? It's absolutely free to the world. I put the website together myself. I'm giving back, okay? I'm not charging people for my training. Even if you're on somebody else's team within this opportunity, or maybe you're just in a whole nother opportunity, there's no doubt in my mind you could benefit from the training website. So once again, that's millionaireshustleacademy.com. I'll put the link down below. I have a merch website where you can get these millionaire hoodies, hats, and shirts. That's millionaireshustle.com for the merch. And once again, if you want to get started with me and be on my team for this travel business, go on over to AntonioVasquez.com. I'll drop the link down below for you, okay? I'm excited for the growth of the team. Like I said, it's growing like wildfire. And I'm ready to take this to the next level, okay? So whoever decides to take massive action and apply what we teach, I want to see you at the top of me, okay? I want to see you at the top of me, all right? It's all about growth. It's all about value and helping the next brother and sister out, okay? So until next time, I'm out. I got paid. Appreciate you for watching.